Step inside, the Costa Rican Rainforest. It surrounds you and everything living within it. You may not see them, but they are here. Frogs cling beneath the leaves at your side. Salamanders hide in the soil at your feet. Snakes rest in the cracks of those trees right in front of you. Opossums and kinkajous are hiding above your head right now. This forest holds life everywhere, in every tree, in every shadow. But predators are just as common. The animals dare not show themselves, not to you and not to their hunters, at least not until nightfall. At the Costa Rican Amphibian Research Center, this forest is yours alone. Explore at your own pace. Wander far or linger in one small patch. And when darkness falls, the forest will awaken. Here, you are free to walk it at night and see who truly lives here.